Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Google Maps voice navigation. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In the Google Maps app, tap your profile icon in the top right of the screen. Choose Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Navigation Settings. Under Sound and Voice, you can choose to mute voice navigation by tapping Muted. You can choose to only hear alerts if you'd prefer. Voice navigation is now disabled. If you want to enable it again, select Unmuted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.